everyone, and welcome to the channel. On this episode, I'm going to show you how to install this soft close conceal door hinge. This is a plum door hinge, and I'm going to show you how to install this specific model. I'll put a link to it in the description below. And this is a really easy, quick video to show you how to install this perfect every time. If that's something you're interested in, stick around. We're about to get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna install the stop collar. I'm just gonna put it on right here just like this and tighten it. Okay, so my setting is set to number 5 on each side. That's for the hinges that I'm gonna be installing, and if you wanna know the hinges that I'm using, I'll put that in the description below. So let me set this up and drill my first hole. Okay, so you can set the hole wherever you want along your door. I'm just gonna do what looks right, but just be consistent on the bottom as well. I think I'm gonna use the 60 mark right here and clamp it down. Now you can use any clamps you want. I'm just using these because I just have them. Okay, so this freely moves. It's ready to go. It's all clamped down. Now we're gonna hook my drill up. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attach my drill. All right, I'm gonna turn it on high and we're just gonna cut it down. All right, there you go. Now I'm just marking it the 60 mark right here, and then I'm gonna clamp it down. All right, let me show you something. So, as you know, I took my measurements from 60, so that's 0 to 60. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count from this edge, which is 20, 40, 60, which is gonna be marked on the 40 line. That's what I'm gonna mark over here. That way, I know it measures up perfectly, because these are in increments of 20. So 20, 40, 60 puts me right at 60, but if I count this way, 20, 40, 60, it puts me at the 40 mark. That's how I'm going to measure the bottom, so I'm perfectly at the right spot when I install the hinges. All right, so that is the easiest way to install concealed door hinges. I'll put a link to everything that I use to install this in the description below. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please post in the comments below. Till next time, I'll see you later.